Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Selenium on Python for Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. First, I'm opening my command prompt. I'll show you the version of Python I have installed today as well as the version of PIP. To check, type python -- version. It shows that I'm using Python 3.11.5. Next, type pip -- version. This command displays the pip version I currently have. After showing you my Python and pip versions, I'll open idle to check whether the Selenium library is already installed on my PC. Type import Selenium and press enter. As you can see, it throws an error. Module not found a raw. No module named Selenium. This confirms that the Selenium library is not installed yet. Next, minimize idle and type another command in the command prompt, pip list. This command shows the list of installed packages. As you can see, Selenium is not listed here, which further confirms that the library is not currently installed. Now, let's install Selenium. Type the following command, pip install Selenium. The installation process begins and you can see it downloading Selenium. Once the process completes, the library is successfully installed. To verify, go back to idle. Type import Selenium. This time, there's no error, which means the Selenium library is installed successfully on my PC. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.